What's up, guys? This is TG Stun deck, almost pretty much done except for four cards. So without further ado, let's get into this deck. Two Barbaros, triple Cerberus. Really didn't know why. Explaining nothing in the last one. You know, Cerberus is a good card too. 3 TG Wolf, 2 Rush Rhino, 2 Thunder King, Three Gadgetron I can't find anymore, but 3 Gadgetron, 1 Roars, 1 Fossil Dyna, 1 Striker. So, guess this is the monster lineup. So, triple Gear Town. These are Gear Towns. Can't find them either. Double Duality, double Smashing, training my deck with Mind Control, Avarice, and Dark Hole. Oh, shut the fuck up. And then for the traps, play 3 Skill Drains. Shout out to Sensei for these Skill Drains. For 2 of them. And I heard Thief in the Chain. The important point today is to stun. Stun, stun, and stun. 2 One of the Phantom Beasts. 2 Bottomless. And the Solemn Duo. So that's deck list. I will show my updated exams in a little bit. Maybe tomorrow or Friday. Friday was my birthday. I'll definitely post a video then. So see you guys then.